Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by opening the document and saving a working copy. This protects the original. Once done, turn on Show/Hide so you can see paragraph marks, line breaks, and manual spaces. Next, select the specific paragraphs or the entire document you plan to change, because Word applies spacing to selected text. Make sure styles are visible in the ribbon. If a style is forcing spacing, changing the selection alone won't fix root causes. Now you're ready to adjust spacing settings directly. Open the paragraph dialog from the Home tab. This is where the precise controls live. In spacing, set before and after to 0 pt if you want no extra gaps, or type specific values to create consistent rhythm. For line spacing, choose single, 1, 5, double, or exactly and enter an exact point value. Use exactly when you need precise control for layout. Apply to the selected text or update the style so changes propagate. Finally, preview the document and adjust until lines and paragraphs look balanced. To finish, update the paragraph style so spacing remains consistent across the document. Right-click the style and choose Update to match selection. Make sure tables, text boxes, or images aren't inserting extra space. Move or resize them if necessary. If odd gaps persist, clear direct formatting on problematic paragraphs and reapply the style, because manual overrides often cause conflicts. One key troubleshooting tip: if nothing fixes it, copy the clean text into a new document to isolate corrupted formatting.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.